After 1 year of staying here, let's check out how this Airbnb looks. Now, before we walk inside, right? Um, I had somebody book my Airbnb. They was in town for contract work, construction, and they booked it for 1 year. Cool. I was excited, and as an extra level of precaution, what I did was I sent my cleaning lady inside the property. Um, every other week. She would clean it, right? So my cleaning lady would come. I was like, hey, if you could agree to that, I can get this done. And he was nasty, very nasty. We end up getting insects. Eventually, we got roaches. I just literally had it sprayed. He left. He asked to stay longer, but I told him I couldn't renew it. But it's part of the Airbnb business, but it's part of the business in general. We're owning houses, but let's see how this house looks after 1 year. My cleaning lady said it was crazy, but let's see for ourselves. So, like I stated, we just sprayed for roaches. This is the living room. My cleaning lady advised me to throw this couch out. The couch now had rips and things like that, so we're just gonna start over with a new couch and everything. He left things behind. Yeah. Now this is the kitchen. All right, this is the kitchen and everything. Again, I just had to spray it for roaches. The issue was he kept leaving food out all night. Just kept leaving food out all night. So you get insects, right? We had an ant problem, and lastly we had a roach problem, and that's why I said, man, you got to go. So I did have to get my exterminator in here the a few times while he was here and after he left for the roaches. This is the office slash bedroom. I'm gonna change this back into a bedroom. The reason why I'm gonna change it back to the bedroom, a third bedroom is actually more valuable. I did an office because I wanted to attract a certain type of crowd, people coming to work and all that. This is the bathroom. All right. All right. I mean, some stuff still needs to be thrown out, obviously. Okay. All right, gotta get a new one of those. All right, this is one of the bedrooms. One of the bedrooms. Okay, this is one of the bedrooms. So all my properties are Airbnb or shared properties. I'll pay for the internet on them. I'll pay for the internet. I don't mind paying for the internet. And as far as, whew, as far as everything else, they take care of. So I put like a Fire Stick on it, or get a TV with a built-in Fire Stick. So they're responsible for their passwords and usernames. I'm gonna do some touch-up paint. All right, that's normal after a year. I mean, I'm not upset about that. All right, so this is how it got left after a year. Yo, be real with you, it ain't even that bad. Yeah, we gotta throw some stuff out. We gotta start over. I'm not even mad about the couch. I'll be real with you, I'm not mad about the couch, bro. I get another couch for $100, $150, $250. Because right now you could go on Facebook Marketplace, right? You go on Facebook Marketplace right now and you can get stuff easy and at a low bar price, and you can go to Goodwill. I don't know if y'all remember a few years ago, like 5 years ago when Airbnb was hot, you couldn't get nothing on Facebook Marketplace. Things was flying off. So, now the Airbnb market is very quiet, very quiet, we can get stuff easy. Another thing, as far as me, right? This one stayed booked up because it's only 80, $90, right? Nothing fancy, right? I go after the Walmart crowd. So I'm going after the Walmart crowd. So I'm going after the Walmart crowd. I'm not going after the crowd that's got to compete with the hotels. I'm not going after them. I'm going after 80, $90. Crowd. Do I get my problems? Absolutely. When you dealing with people, you're gonna get problems. Hotels get problems. Motels get problems. No matter how expensive the hotels, they gonna get problems. So that's just part of dealing with people. So, but this is it. You know, I the way they was talking about like it was bad. I know the guy was messy and dirty because he left food out all night, but this ain't this ain't too bad. This ain't too bad. So listen, bro. All right. Subscribe to the channel. I'm Nasser, aka the Real Estate Guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a duru because I actually do this business. Peace.